Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox crashing, not launching, and freezing error. So if you want to know how to fix it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to find the Roblox player on your screen. So this one is mine. So just go ahead and right click on it and select properties. And once you've done that, what you need to do is to click on the drop down arrow under the shortcut tab, okay? So here for the run section, select minimized, then apply, okay? And once you've clicked on apply, go to compatibility, then check this box to run this program in compatibility mode for. Then Windows 8 is fine with mine. And check these two boxes for disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Okay, and again, click on apply. And once you've clicked on apply, click on this run compatibility troubleshooter button. Okay, and now it will detect all of the issues that you have. Then click on or select the try recommended settings. Then click on test the program. Okay, so let's just wait for it. Okay, so so I have this error, but the next thing that you need to do is to click on the next button and select yes, save these settings for this program. Okay. So now the incompatible program is now fixed. So just go ahead and close the troubleshooter and X this tab. Okay. And once you follow all of these steps, you should be able to fix Roblox crashing, not launching, and freezing error. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.